Here's how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Account Center at the top, and then choose your information and permissions towards the bottom. Next, tap on Download your information and scroll down a bit. Select Download or Transfer information for Instagram, then tap Next. From the list of data types, select Messages, hit Next, and choose Download to your device. For the date range, select All Time to retrieve all your messages. Once that's set, tap Create File. Instagram will notify you via email when the file is ready, which typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes. After you receive the email, go back to Instagram and tap the download button. You'll need to re-enter your Instagram password to continue. Once the download is complete, swipe over to your iPhone's app library and open the Files app. Go to On My iPhone Downloads and find the zipped file. Unzip the folder and open it. Navigate to your activity messages to view all your chats, including deleted ones. You'll find your inbox, message requests, and other chat folders here, allowing you to open and read any message, even if it was previously deleted. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.